Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I have found the perfect summer dress.
This tennis dress from Ewedoos is my favorite outfit this summer because not only is it completely adorable, it's super comfortable, fantastic for the hot weather. If I'm active, if I'm sweating, it's perfect for that. But then also, it's gonna look adorable if I'm out and about. You can bring this from day to night. It is just the cutest dress. Maybe my favorite feature is the fact that the built-in shorts have pockets, which are so convenient. So incredibly comfy. I have it here in black in a size medium. I'm usually a medium or a small. It fits me perfectly. I'm about 5'5" and I love the length of the dress. I think that the straps are super cute, and the best part is it has built-in shorts. So it is an all-in-one, good to go outfit that's going to help me to be cute and comfortable while I'm also active in the hot summer months. I brought this with me traveling, and it was literally my favorite outfit that I wore because it was just so practical, but I also didn't feel like I was wearing gym clothes all day. I felt super cute and I was able to move about freely. Those straps are adjustable in the back, which I think is a great feature, and the shorts underneath are just absolutely perfect. I found that they were the perfect length. My legs were not chafing. I was comfortable all day, even when I was sweaty walking around the city. This outfit was literally perfect. I am completely obsessed with it.
So, if you are looking for a dress this summer that is going to be cute and comfortable, practical, but you can take it from day to night and just throughout all of your fun summer activities, I highly recommend this one. I love it so much, and it's everything that I was looking for. But that's just my point of view.